Majeri, enko pem da pen, NDC for mo belle ni bibi say, omo pe power. Say mpo Ghana fo nyina papa na mo pe power. Eniema ama ye etwa mu no, munya entro politics ni ye na munya Ghana fo nya mu arehyebu. Niema ama ye dada ebie na no say ma ye djuma de misika koto bank. Wo de koto bank ben. Aban bank ho, ADB ho, Ghana Commercial Bank ho, NIB bank ho. Busa se usika no de koto bank ben. Odu sika edufudie nti no, odu sika komo obi. Na we are the ones who bought the bank. Ure visa Terkper say bank no life support so. All can say namuti Lagos ana namuti hefa. Onu anka say ko no nim say banks no. Obie na no say wari akadompe no. Mo ya mo say damajo mama ye magic. Ma hu no majo mama be ye wo kroma. Hwe enyuma dodo aban na bie na me fa blame bia mo bia say me de ma chief of staff eye na nko ma media phone sika e na omu yi aban djuma kire nka communicators nko omu ba
no the chief of staff na so yeah information ministry on is it the chief of staff no ba be say
information ministry why the information ministry no just free him
just free aban and chief of staff
the chief of staff. So unima, mami kancha aban na wodi nyina ni chief of staff. Ono na say o menkofo hu aban ni ndwuma waye. Na ndwuma no.
Okay.
Ono na say o hwe MPs ni your friends say ministers no chief directors no o hwe omo so no omo hu say esese ye we afie ye we. Dey na okay.
Okay.
Like NDC for munya ready for swamp of NDC for ni American so mo to aba omo hu ni mobo. Na nya ono de ensamoni politics bi onumye. Oman farmer now omuko position because omni started in Katonya Sika or the Akogu Canada, Eddie Mountain, and Honu Akoto Nadan.
Medazim. Omusanya the Womusanya NDC. So you get an NDC president, NDC DCE, NDC MMDCE, NDC how do you call it? Assemblyman in the Volta region. For 29 years, they couldn't develop Volta region. Now, John Mahama is promising Volta region people that, oh, this time when I come, I will pay attention to Volta region. Now, men come free Volta. Now, my junior Juma. And come Okasa ye na my Jima Bisa says, say, can you account for us that Keta Sea defense money President Kufuor went to bring for it to protect us, the people of Keta? Please, can you account for that money? Mese me come here this near. And come be some Mahama say, Aden ye this kama o say, for be ye see defense obo ye ho ban. Na nsuo no yiria embechi amfa ye so, amfa ye njapade, amfa ye noba ye, amfa ye niama. But NDC if we go Volta region. Etna say. Ena papa na ye this kama and say on fanya see defense na to yen chemo ete santomo no okoto mo 10 bags and konto local rice kura nanka local producers no enyes kada bi okoto long grain rice perfume rice 10 bags oto esichire 10 bags nkatie 10 bags ye atoko esam kakra and ye sardine box 20 and ye omoka ne say sheto omde gu jelly kan mu and ye de gare and also no bottom be 10 because you say mo no gele na fatam gele soakings no e fatam ntino ye de mo 10 bags pe gele no ye de be 100 bags na ba ye mo fa bi nkoka ayini. After this man spent your money when you were in need, when the water has taken your property, he came there, brought these items, which is a chicken feed to John Dramani Mahama. Compared to the money he has, what he brought there, chicken feed. Now, man, who the before me call horse, I done said, dear, near the ma ye di you. And Mahama, welcome, Wezolo, Iwezo, Iwezolo, and Mahama, Wezolo, Mahama, Wezolo, Eba. Now, Mrs. Ah, and mo back, Eba. Hey, Ghana. Ha! You're serious in Ghana? Akwa we ya bokro no ente se ama mo ende mo deja tese bu twa adwo Okofa gele 10 bags, 20 bags, and a 10 bags by ya. Mujina ho, Akosha, when you fit and say, Mahama, where's the low? He weighs a low, he weighs a low, Egba. I'm a shame, son, I must say, no one, no. So Volta, honey, I just say, Yame, Abba. Mutie, Volta region, honor. Today I'm saying it on authority, man. And I have no vendetta against voters. For the people who know where I grew up, you know, Voltarians are my people. And this is a fact. But say what na ho kwasipi na obia ono sika na ese so de bon ho ban okodi e bibi matresi bu achi mo be ya millionaires ne e wo bra woda so hye atakwa me dan ni mu woda so hyafo akpa no egu na ase medoma wu na egu na ase na odi kai sabe gele 20 bucks esi chire 5 bucks enkatia kakra ya bra mo ayi sabe esam kakra na nu ntino mukofa amedafia no mu ni na ba say yemebu yemu wezolo a na chese munya ready for development who can na yadwa my votarians who can na yadwa look at the place MPP leads much how those places are open. This is reality check. I want you to go to the Volta region, look it. Not that you are not paying your electricity bill. You are paying. Now say nipa na catch now say we can find emergency power. They be a catch us renyansa oh. Say papa ye Jimmy for oh. Ube Jimmy for. It is simple. If your father is not sensible, you will not be sensible. It is simple. You might take it as an insult, but it is a fact. Mikuta Toyota Terkper. Me top petrol $20 any kum. And near memoir, ye dear must say $20 na kura min to min 20 cano, me nanti do baby and son na my day, masaya bosso. Na me compare solution. Et me to petrol dia guka ke to nominate me de me akwaba. Me se makoto V8 17 abegu. Na wukoto V8 no NDC fo Jimmy fo aye kasa na mu kasa bi wo Ghana no na mu pese mu junso na mu di gu sa sebe car power na mu de ba ye na be ma electricity ana. You have no shame. You people put the country in debt. Over $584 million every year we are paying for that useless agreement you people made. 2016 State of the Nation's address, John Dariga Mahama admitted, said it was a stupid negotiation, and as a matter of fact, they should cancel 11 of them. It's in parliamentary hands. Go and look. Because you people don't fucking read it, you know. Jimmy for be social media, you people are not critically thinking. You are not critically thinking. Mahama tells you, say, he is not a magician to create jobs. He's not a magician to create jobs. After being president, he's not a magician to create jobs. Oh,